If you're tired of paying for design software today, we're going to talk about a free platform that can create any design you want without installing anything, simply through your browser. And by the way, this video is brought to you by Vista. Vista is an online platform where you can work with pre-made templates for just about any design project. Need a logo, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, or even a business card? You'll find a template for it. The design space is clean and it's pretty simple to navigate, so if you're not a seasoned designer or you just want to get something done fast, this tool gives you a bunch of options right out of the gate. It's all about keeping things simple. Instead of forcing you to learn complicated tools, it relies on drag and drop editing and quick customizations. You'll find templates for all sorts of projects, which comes in handy when you already know exactly what you need to create. Once you sign up, using your email or by connecting a Google account, you'll land on the homepage. Right up top is a search bar, and above it, tabs named Templates, Creative Assets, Brand Kit, Tools, and My Projects. The Template section lets you browse or filter designs by category. Creative Assets is where you'll find images, vectors, and icons to drop into your project. Brand Kit stores your brand colors and fonts. AI includes quick edit features like background removal or a text-to-image generator. And My Projects is obviously where you see everything you've saved or are currently working on. Below that banner, you'll notice a few colored rectangles representing popular design formats like flyers or social media posts. Scroll down and you'll see rows of template categories, feature designs, newest, podcast cover, and so on, each in a horizontal scroll. It's a layout that keeps you from feeling overwhelmed and lets you jump right into customizing a template that catches your eye. Let's chat about the AI generator. It's there to help when you're stuck starting at a blank canvas. You type in some basic details like your business name, industry, and maybe a tagline, then pick a size, format, and style, and the AI spits out a bunch of designs in seconds. Super handy if you're short on time or just need a quick spark of inspiration. One thing to watch out for: the AI doesn't do well with multi-line text. If you try to press enter to make a new line, it might not handle it properly, so you would have to fix it afterward. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to remember if your design needs multiple lines of text in specific spots. After you've picked a template, used the AI generator, or grabbed something from your brand kit, you can jump into customizing every detail. On the left side of the editor, you'll see sections like uploads, photos, objects, and text. Uploads is for your own images. Photos is for stock visuals. Objects is where you'll find shapes or icons. And text is all about your typography. If you're really into brand consistency, there's also a brand kit tab that keeps all your favorite colors and fonts together. You can change fonts, play with colors, swap out images, and move elements around just by dragging and dropping. Almost every little detail can be tweaked, not like in the big design software clearly, but it should be enough. This setup makes it easy to try out different looks without getting lost in endless menus. If you want to dive deeper into editing, there's the text-to-image generator that might offer some quick layout ideas or design improvements. Keep playing around until your design looks exactly like the way you want it to. There is to mention that while editing, the Ctrl-Z combo for undoing doesn't seem to be part of the game. Instead, you will have to click the reverse button manually. Vista has a massive library of templates and creative assets. Whether you need a social media post, a presentation slide, a flyer, or even an animated video ad, chances are you'll find a ready-made design to start with. Besides templates, the platform also has a wide selection of fonts, images, illustrations, icons, and videos. That means you'll have a ton of resources to help you find the right vibe or element for your project. It's especially helpful if you need quick inspiration or you're looking for just the right visual to finish off your design. Teamwork is covered too. You can share your projects right from Vista, which makes it simpler for colleagues or clients to give feedback or make edits. This can speed up the revision process since everyone can jump into the same projects and see changes in real time. When you're done, you can export your design in several formats: PNG, JPEG, PDF, or MP4 if you're working with animations. Sadly, PowerPoint is not an option, but otherwise, you've got plenty of choices for using your design online, on social media, or even in print. The platform keeps the quality of your design high no matter which format you go for. One of the nice things about Vista is that there's a free plan, which gives you a good selection of templates and design assets. If you're working on smaller projects or just testing the waters, this might be all you need. If you realize you need more features or more assets, there's a Pro plan at a monthly rate that's not too steep. Going Pro unlocks extra creative assets, more storage, unlimited brand kits, and even a resize tool. This tiered setup means you can stick with a free version if you're just doing something quick, or upgrade if you need a bit more power behind your projects. Alright, that's pretty much it for Vista Create. Check it out using the link in the description. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.